Hello everyone, welcome to the sixth lecture of the video lecture series on basic computer programming hosted by Coding Chip. Myself Chetan Kamani, lecturer in computer department at Government Polytechnic Jamnagar. In the previous lecture, I have discussed basic about the flowcharting, such as definition of the flowchart, various symbols used in flowchart, and general rules of flowcharting. If you have not seen that video, please do watch it first. And yeah, one more thing that I forget to tell you that flowchart has also three control structures such as control structures, sequence, selection, and repetition, right? It has also three control structures same as of algorithm, that is sequence, selection, and repetition. In this video lecture I will draw flowchart for the given problems using sequence control structure. I will use only this control structure to draw the flowchart in this video lecture. So this is the session outcome. You will be able to design basic flowchart using sequence control structure. That means by attending this session you will be able to do this. I will use this online tool to draw flowchart. https://app.diagrams.net, which looks like this. Okay, there is a specific session for the flowchart, specific category for the tools for the symbols of the flowchart. It would be very easy to draw flowchart if you have algorithm for the problem. That thing I have mentioned in the session of the algorithm, because in the flowchart you need only have to select particular symbol for the particular steps of the algorithm. So let us just quick revise the symbols of the flowchart. Okay, let me just revise the symbols of the flowchart. Okay, yeah, so there is one symbol which is, we can say, terminator symbol. There is one symbol for input and output. This is input output symbol, right? There is one symbol to show the process such as arithmetic, or I can say arithmetic, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division kind of operation, as well as data movement kind of operation, data changing kind of operation. This is process symbol. There is one more symbol which you have to use for the decision purpose, decision symbol. It has also flow lines to show to indicate the flow. So terminator symbol, input output symbol, process symbol, decision symbol, and flow lines. Okay, so let's start with the first problem. These are the problems that I will discuss during this lecture. Let's start with the first problem. You have to draw a flowchart to find multiplication of two numbers. As I mentioned, if you have algorithm for this problem, then it would be very easy for you to draw flowchart. Let me show you one algorithm for this. Okay, you can see the algorithm. This is the input, two numbers A and B, and this is the output. We do not need to mention this in the flowchart. We just have to draw flowchart for these steps. You can, as you know, that start symbol for step start and for step stop. Which symbol we have to use? I have to use terminator symbol. Okay. For this step, read number A and B. We have to take this step as an input, so I will use input output symbol. For the step 4, I will also use input output symbol, and this is nothing but a process, right? Multiplication. This is an arithmetic operation, so I have to put this operation into process symbol. And okay, so let's draw the flowchart for this problem. Let me open the tool. Okay, you can find out the symbol, terminator symbol. Yes, this is the terminator symbol, right? Okay, in which I have to write start. Okay, then what was our second step? We have to take as input. Let's find out the input symbol from this. Where is the input symbol in this? Let me find out. Yeah, this is the input symbol. You can maximize it. Okay, what was our input for the problem? Multiplication. That is read number A and B. Let me maximize this symbol so it would be easy for us to read the thing. Then the next symbol was process, right? Process. What was the process? Multiplication is equal to A into B. Then the next symbol was output. What was the output in this case? Sorry, what is the output in this case? Print mul. That is the result, right? Then what is the last symbol? Terminator symbol for stop. Then it would be very easy to connect this symbol. You can just click on this connected. Just click on this symbol connected. Just click on this connected, and just click on this connected, right? Then you can arrange this symbol so that it looks like good. Okay, now it's fine. Now it's fine. Now it's fine. Yeah, it's fine now, right? So this is the flow chart for our problem, multiplication of two numbers. So this tool provides also facility to download this flowchart. You can download this flowchart by using this. You can you can go to file, then save as. You can save to your Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, GitHub, GitLab, device, and browser, right? You can download this as an XML file, PNG file, say SVG file, HTML file, XML file. So I hope you have clear understanding about this flowchart for the problem, right? So that's all for this first problem. If you have any doubt regarding this problem, then you can write in the comment box below. Okay, now let's move further toward the next problem. Okay, so what is that? Okay, so our second problem is to draw flowchart to find the area of square, right? You must have idea about the algorithm. You must have idea about the algorithm for this to find the area of square. Don't worry, I have already written. Okay, as I mentioned, we do not need to write this input and output in the flowchart. You can see we just have to select symbol for the particular step. Okay, so start symbol, terminator. For this also we have to use terminator symbol. For this it is an input, so I will use input output. For this I also have to use input output. For this I have to use process symbol. You can see there is no sequence break between the symbols because we are going to solve this problem by using sequence control structure. Okay, so what is the problem? To find the area of square, let's just draw the diagram. Find flowchart. Yes, it is flowchart here. You can see what is the symbol? Start. Then you have to use input output symbol. What is the input for this case? Read length L, then connect this. Then what is the process? Let's find out the process symbol. Yeah, what is the process? Area. To calculate area of the square is equal to L into L. As you know that the area of the square is side square, right? Then we have to connect this to this. Then again I have to find another symbol. Then print output area. Then our last symbol is stop. Okay, now it's fine. This is the flowchart for the problem to find the area of the square. If you have any doubt regarding this flowchart, then you can write in the comment box, or as I mentioned in the previous example, you can download this flowchart by using this file and save as, right? So I do not talk much about this. Let's go to solve another problem. So what is that problem? Okay, to draw flowchart to find average of three numbers. Let's just see the algorithm for this, and we will do flowchart. Okay, so what is this? We have to terminator symbol. For this second step we have to take input, so I will use input output symbol. This is process. You can see clearly, you can see there are some operations going on. To print, I will use input output symbol. Then for this I will use which symbol? Terminator symbol. So let's quickly draw the diagram. Okay, let me take new. Yeah, create new. It will load every time whenever you click on new. Go to flowchart. What is the first symbol? Hurry up fast. Start. Okay, then next input output. Read numbers B and C. Let me maximize it so that we can see it clearly. Connect this. Yeah, then we have to perform some operations, so we have to use which symbol? Process symbol. Average is equal to addition of A plus B plus C divided by the number of total numbers divided by 3. Then we have to print the average by using which symbol? Input output symbol. Then print average. Okay, and our last symbol is stop symbol. sorry, yeah, okay. So this is the flowchart for the problem to find the average of three numbers. If you have any doubt regarding this flowchart, then you can write in the comment box below. Let's move further towards the fourth problem. To draw flowchart to swap two numbers. Okay, let's just quickly see its algorithm. Okay, so what is that? Start symbol, terminator. Then this step is for input output, same as this is terminator, this is an input output. I will combine this step as one and consider it as a process, right? Let's just draw quickly its flowchart. Let me new, okay, not this one, okay, file and new, blank. Okay, so what is the first one? Again, quickly go to the flowchart categories, then start. Then what is our next symbol? Yes, definitely it is a input output symbol. What is our problem? To swap the value of two numbers, right? So read A and B, then process symbol, temp is equal to A is equal to B, and B equal to temp. So this is the interchanging with using third variable. Okay, now value interchange. Then we have to use another symbol, print A and B, and our last symbol is stop. Let us just quickly connect all these symbols with the flow lines. Okay, now it's look fine. This is the solution for the problem interchange of two numbers. If you have any doubt regarding this flowchart, then you can write in the comment box below. Without wasting time, let's see the fifth problem. What is the fifth problem here? Okay, which is very easy. Flowchart to convert meter into centimeter. We have to take input as meter, and we have to print the value of we have to print centimeter of the value given as meter, right? Let us quickly see its algorithm. Okay, this is the algorithm. As you can see, this for this and for step 5 I will use which symbol? Terminator. And for this step and this step I will use which symbol? Input output. And for this step I will use which symbol? Process symbol. Okay, let us just quickly draw its flowchart. Okay, what is the first symbol? Category go to flowchart, then where is this terminator? Yes, start symbol, right? Then the second one, we have to take input meter, so we have to use input output symbol. Read meter M. Then process, we have to convert this meter into centimeter. Cm is equal to meter into 100, and our last symbol is terminator symbol, that is stop. Let us just quickly connect this symbol. So this is the flowchart. Sorry, I forget to mention one symbol here. I forget to mention one symbol for the particular step, that is I have to print output, right? Print cm, and the final symbol is stop. Okay, this is the flowchart for the problem to convert meter into centimeter. If you have any doubt regarding this flowchart, then you can write in the comment box below. Now just let's quickly move to the next problem. Okay, so you had the next problem is draw flowchart to calculate simple interest. Okay, let us see its algorithm, then I will draw the flowchart. Okay, this is the algorithm. We do not need to write this as start, and for this symbol I have to use which symbol? Terminator. For this one and this one I will use, for step number 2 and for step number 4 I will use input output symbol, and for step number 3 I will use process symbol. Right, let's just quickly draw its algorithm. Not algorithm, quickly draw its flowchart. Okay, let me go to the flowchart category. Yeah, the first symbol is always terminator, start. The second is input. I have to take input in principal amount as well as rate of interest as well as duration. Okay, read P stands for principal amount, R stands for rate of interest, and N stands for number of years. And then I have to calculate using its formula. I is equal to P into R into N divide by 100. Let's maximize this. Then print the result using input output symbol. Print simple interest, interest. Let me maximize this. This is our last step, and the last one is, sorry, this is our last step, right? Terminator symbol, stop. Let's just quickly connect this. Okay, so this is the flowchart for the problem to find the simple interest for the value P, R, and N. If you have any doubt regarding this flowchart, then you can write in the comment box below. So this is all about the sequence. This is all about the sequence control structure of the flowchart. You can use if you have not subscribed this channel, please do subscribe it to watch more videos kind of this. Thank you.